It is the first Sunday in December 2018. We have a new scientific study that has just recently been released. And this scientific study suggests that the human race sprang from a single adult couple and that animals appeared at the same time, just as the Bible declares. No, these are not Christian scientists. These are scientists calling this discovery stunning, a major shock. Well, it's not a major shock to us. It is to evolutionary science, so-called. But the study was led by the Rockefeller University and the University of Basel, Switzerland, and it's being called a sweeping survey of the genetic code. It shows the human race sprang from a single adult couple, such as an Adam and an Eve. David Thaler, research associate from the University of Basel, who did the study with Mark Stockel, said he fought against it as hard as he could. It was Nathaniel T. Jensen, an expert in cell and developmental biology, who works with Answers in Genesis, who had written about the mitochondrial DNA research recently. Jensen holds a PhD from Harvard and serves as research biologist, author, and speaker with Answers in Genesis. He had concluded that the research revealed the vast majority of animal species arose contemporary with modern humans. He points to a popular scientific theory that tells us all modern humans have descended from a solitary pair who lived 100 to 200,000 years ago. He adds that scientists surveying the barcodes of 5 million animals, including humans, have deduced that we sprang from a single pair of adults. And that after a catastrophic event that almost wiped out the human race. These barcodes and snippets of DNA that reside outside the nuclei of living cells suggest that it's not just people who came from a single pair of beings, but 9 out of every 10 animal species. Stockel said the conclusions throw up considerable mystery as to why the need for human life to start again was necessary in such a relatively short time ago, especially since the last known extinction we know of was during the time of the dinosaurs, 65 million years ago. We're also surprisingly similar to not just every other human, but every other species. Apparently culture, life experience, and other things can make people very different, but in terms of basic biology, we're like the birds, Steckel added. The mitochondrial DNA examined in the research is that which mothers pass down from generation to generation, and it showed the absence of human exceptionalism. Now, I'm assuming the exceptionalism has more to do with the ability to evolve into something else or be different than any kind of intellectual or technical or physical exceptionalism. At least for the mitochondrial DNA, humans turn out to be low to average in genetic diversity. Now, I hate to be the one to tell you this, but all of this is clearly in line with the Bible. And the discovery is totally out of line with popular evolutionary theory. You know, the one that was taught to our children for the last 60 plus years, thanks to our government schools and every form of media known to mankind. And here are secular, no doubt not Christian, scientists who are stuttering, shocked, don't want to publish this thing. Went back to it, and eventually said, it's clear, we can't avoid it. We all came from the same pair of humans, and not 100,000 or 200 million years ago. In the relative world of the not too distant past. Isn't that fascinating? Did I just tell you anything new? You're a Christian? You believe the Bible? The Bible has been recording this stuff for 6,000 years. All you got to do is read it. Amazing.